Hi, in this video we are going to introduce Flax engine, so stick around until the end. Flax engine is a powerful game engine, especially in graphic, and you may not have heard of it. This game engine is free and its source is available just like Unreal Engine. It's not open source, you can't for example, modify it and publish it with another name. You can modify it and use it for yourself, personal. The graphic of this engine is look like Unreal. Creating a realistic scene in this engine is easier than a game engine, for example, Unity. It's possible to creating a realistic scene in Unity, but has complexities and challenges. But in this engine is easier, just like in Unreal. Let's see its features. The interesting thing of this engine is that you can write C# and C++ scripts, not like Unreal. In Unreal, you can't write C++ scripts. When you write a C++ code in Unreal, you need to compile it, and the compiling process takes a while and has some complexities. But in this engine, you have access to the scripting capability. It means the compiling process takes a little time and it's real time, we can say. And also you can write a part of your game with C# and another part with C++ and easily connect them together. It's a cross-platform game engine. You can easily export your game for all of these platforms, and also you have access to modern graphic capabilities, for example real-time global illumination or reflections with software ray tracing, and also you have access to light map baking to optimize your lights. And also it has a capability to write your code, we can say, in a visual scripting view. And also VFX tools and prefab system, just like Unity, not in Unreal Engine, blueprints in Unreal. And also networking tools. It's an essential section for a game engine for multiplayer games and online games. And it has also an animation system like Unreal. You can use graphs to combine and manage animations, and also it has a very essential tool, cloth simulation. If you don't know about this capability, it will simulate the cloth and also hair based on physics in real time. And also it has great documentations in this website. You can read and work with the engine easily. The community and users of this engine is growing because of the capabilities and the realistic graphic of this engine, and you can rely on it for a serious game, I think. And it has a good royalty payments. It's 4% royalty after you earn this value. For example, in this section it calculated for you. If you have earned $300,000, you need to pay $2,000 to the Flax engine. Flax has a launcher and you can download it from this launcher. For example, I have the 1.10 and 1.9 versions, and also your projects are here. Let's open one of them. For example, particle features. This project is provided by the Flax engine itself. This is the Flax engine environment, and it has a lot of particles here that showcases the particle system section of this game engine. This game engine is a combination of Unreal Engine and Unity. For example, you can create a new post-processing volume just like Unreal, not Unity. But the scripting section is like Unity. Post effects volume. Here you can add, for example, ambient occlusion effect, global illumination, bloom, tone mapping, and many effects. And also you can write your effect using post-fix materials. It's look like Unreal, and in Unity we need to create profiles for each post-processing volume, and this system is easier to use. Let's add, for example, ambient occlusion, intensity, increase intensity. As you can see, ambient occlusion has been added easily. And also real-time global illumination, that we have read about it in the documentations. It's easy to add. All of your contents, you can right-click and new and add anything you want. For example, animation graphs, AI, behavior trees, and also visual scripts, and other scripts will be if you want to add C++ and C# scripts, you need to go inside the source folder and then navigate to the game. Here right click, new, and here we can create C# and C++ classes and scripts. Here in the C# we can add interfaces, game plugins, or C# empty file and structs. I need to create a C# script, an ordinary C# script, and this is good. Enter. To write the code, you can use Visual Studio or VS Code, and the best way to open it is to go inside the project folder and open the SLN file, for example with Visual Studio. Here in the Visual Studio, go to the Solution Explorer, and in the game section and the game folder, open my script. The structure of the code is look like Unreal and also Unity. We have a start method and on enable, on disable, and update method. This is the main loop of your script. Let's, for example, print something in on start. We can use debug.log easily and print a string. This is my Flax project. Alright. When you save it and back to the Flax engine, it will compile your scripts and done. It will take just 1 second. The architecture of this engine is component based, just like Unity. You can easily attach your scripts to your actors in the scene. You can add infinite components or scripts. For example, let's create an empty actor here. And here, add scripts to it. Add a script, and this is my script. Here, let's open the debug log and play the game. And as you can see, this is my Flax project. A string has been printed out. I can say the compiling process is faster than Unity, and it's very easy. You can download this powerful game engine from flaxengine.com. The link is in the description, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and feel free to share your questions and ideas in the comments.